Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up choosing escrow with Fidelity National Financial easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Fidelity National Financial website. Look for the section designated for escrow services. Click on the Get Started or Open Escrow option. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the escrow selection page on your dashboard. Here, you will see various options for different types of escrow services. Review the options carefully to determine which service fits your needs. Click on the option that best suits your transaction type. You may be required to provide additional information related to your transaction. Fill out any necessary forms, making sure to double-check for accuracy. After entering your details, look for a Submit button on the page. Click the Submit button to send your escrow request. You should receive a confirmation indicating that your request is being processed. Next, you'll wait for communication from a Fidelity representative. They will guide you through the next steps in the process. Be prepared to provide any required documentation when requested. Follow their instructions closely to ensure a smooth experience. Once your escrow account is set up, you'll receive further details via email. You can log back into your account to track the status of your escrow. Make sure to review any fees or payment options associated with the escrow service. Keep all communication organized for future reference. Remember to check your email regularly for updates and important information. Congratulations, you are now set up to use escrow with Fidelity National Financial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.